morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we're at the 31st of March, 2021, and the time just after 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Today, I'm releasing the enhanced Bollinger Band course. So look in your mailbox. If you're on our mailing list or you've applied for any of our products in the past, you're going to get a mail about it. This, to me, is the best course I've ever done on Bollinger Bands. So if you're a fan of that and you look at that for the support resistance, you know I show it on every video here. It is there in the best detail I know with every new trick I've learned over the past 5 years. So it's there for you. I think you'll find it interesting, very inexpensive. So we're up in the stock market as I'd expect. You know, you're going into 3 days of jobs data. The numbers should be good. You had the ADP number. I'll cover that for you in a minute. That looks okay. Dollar index falling a little as number of currencies getting a little bit of a bump here. Gold trying to find its legs down at some key numbers here in the 1680s, I'm going to call it. Silver still losing to the gold. Copper getting a little bump as it's going to fight against the $4 level right now. Bonds and notes are stable. And remember, you got up over 177 yesterday in the 10-year note. That's the first time we've done that in quite a while, well over a year. It gave it back by the end of the day, coming back to the 172 area, and we're about there right now. OPEC meets tomorrow. So it's now time that we start gearing in on what oil prices might and might not do. In the grain markets, you're going to get today a big grain report. Buckle in. This is a difficult report day. We get an idea of ending stocks. Planning intentions are coming out. We got a lot of data coming out, so I'll be watching that. It'll affect the cotton market, other markets like that as well. So OPEC, they lowered their 2021 oil demand growth. I was just talking about that by 300,000 barrels a day to 5.6 million, and they raised a slight amount to 200,000 barrels a day supply. But the net is it's still dropping. That's the important thing. You can see that in the numbers. Demand growth falling, increase, so it's a 100,000 barrel a day deficit. French President Macron tonight is taking to the airwaves, and the reason is COVID is out of control. How much more of a lockdown is he going to have to do? They are in just a terrible situation in Europe. It's Italy, it's Germany, believe it or not. When I mentioned Germany, I can't believe that their labor office said that people out of work fell by 8,000. So that to me was a big number on a positive. Let's see if I can bring the rest of the news. Here we go. The U.S. came out this morning with their mortgage market index numbers, and as you'd expect, they're all down. You know, we have a combination here of fewer homes for sale, people desperate to buy these homes. We've got higher price of the homes. They went up almost a percentage point last month, and we are looking at rates climbing. So you're getting that combination. You're going to see layoffs in that industry. A lot of these go-go offices, the days of that just, hey, let's get on the phones, we'll drum up that business problem. ADP, private payrolls. This is the stellar number, up 517. Whether it missed the estimate by 8,000 doesn't matter. It's a huge number. They're looking on Friday for 1 million job gain on the jobs data. The Chicago PMI comes out in just a few minutes here at 8:45. They're looking for it at a small growth number. And the National Association of Realtors is looking for a 3% decline. So I'm Ira. I want to remind you that we will have out to you by just after 9 o'clock this morning at some time the email for the enhanced Bollinger Band course. I'm telling you, if you're a Bollinger Band freak, as I am, I admit that, this is everything I know about it up to date. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day. Take care now.